Today is our final day of trips and tours for the last, what, 10 days I think we've been out and about.
Yes.
So we're going somewhere out of Addis, not too sure where.
We're gonna see some horse riding, part of Mexico celebration.
At the moment, we're kind of driving around the town, stopping at different places.
For the last hour.
We have no idea what we're doing. They just keep on telling us not to worry.
Yeah, we're not worried. We just could have slept that one out.
Oh, it's really tired. So it should be pretty when we get there. But like most things in Ethiopia, we don't actually know what we're doing until we arrive.
Yeah.
So being flexible is the key. So I think it will be fun.
Yeah, I think we'll appreciate once we're there.
But just gotta find out. So it's Mescal Day today. So yesterday was the eve, that was pretty cool. And now it's the actual Mescal Day today.
And most of the people just celebrate that with their families, staying at home.
Yeah.
But we're going somewhere either 60 or 160 kilometers out of town.
We hope it's 60 because 160 is going to take us 3 hours, 4 hours to get there.
And we haven't left yet. And it's like 8 a.m. already. Yeah, and we're gonna see some horse riding thing. But we'll let you know once that we'll see.
So hopefully that would be cool. But we'll wait and see.
It's cold.
They're in the back. Yeah.
They're singing.
They're singing and dancing in the back of the truck. It's pretty funny. So after 5 hours,
They told us we're gonna drive 2 hours max.
yeah, maximum 2 hours.
It's been 5 hours.
And we asked them 3 or 4 times how far are we going.
They said 60 kilometers.
60 kilometers, so
it's
10.
160.
So 160 k's of travel, squished into the back of the car. We feel very annoyed.
And the driver thought it was funny if he drives 120k through massive holes, and eventually we like screamed at them.
So we had a bit of a
Argument.
at slowing down because it was not fun. So this is not a good start.
And we still haven't seen any horses, like, because it turns out the horses start after 1 p.m.
Yeah.
They didn't tell us that. We thought we were gonna drive 2 hours from 7 a.m. film the horses and be back in Addis at 5.
Yeah, so if the way it works out, we have to leave now to get back by 5, and we haven't done anything yet.
Good luck.
So good luck. Speak to you later. So we've arrived somewhere, not too sure exactly. We're definitely the odd ones out.
We don't know where we are and
We
nothing.
still haven't found the horses yet. Maybe they're here. The whole village is here to see us. Hey guys. We'll go find some horses now. Now we're walking half an hour somewhere. So, hopefully, who knows? You have to laugh. Yes. Yeah. Still walking. We just arrived at the village.
We're definitely the main attraction.
Definitely don't see too many white people here. We're still not too sure what is actually going
Yes,
on.
now we're waiting for others to arrive so the whole horse ceremony can start. But you know, we can wait even until tomorrow for other villages to come. So yeah.
So much for meeting people tonight back in Addis.
Yes, our plans for the evening gone. I mean, this is definitely awesome, but you know, it's all a big surprise for us.
Yeah. Oh well. Let's find out what happens. Everybody is here.
They're following us.
We had to move away because the circle's getting a bit tight. So we moved up to the top of the hill and they all just followed us. So let's see what happens up here. So we're walking away from the big group now up to the top of the hill.
It's so difficult to film.
Yeah, so we feel a bit awkward because I feel like we're supposed to be at the horses and the galloping today, but it's definitely.
They don't pay attention to their horses anymore.
So they're just watching us. So we want that to stop. So we're going to try and walk somewhere else away from everything, and hopefully just film what we need to, and then not interrupt too much. It's a bit, yeah, it's not right at the moment what we're doing.
I feel stupid.
Yeah, we feel a bit stupid. But we're going up to see the horses now. So the horses start at the top of the hill here, and then they gallop down the hill to the end there, where all the people are. Those three guys behind us,
They're the elders.
they're like the elders or the bosses of the tribe.
And they were not happy that we came
So
because
yeah, they were.
in the end they were happy.
Yeah, but they were not happy that they didn't know we were coming, because they would have liked to have prepared something for us and then got people aware that we were actually going to be here. So we were under the impression that people knew we were coming.
Because obviously this is a tour company, so we're filming for them, and you know, like if it's a tour company, then obviously their job is to organize things.
So we got to see some pretty cool stuff.
Yeah.
We got to experience something new, but it just got a little bit hostile towards the end there when people were asking for money and what's the benefit for them.
And I felt horrible because you know, like I don't want to film something if they don't let me, and yeah, and just I was very sad that they didn't, like, I thought they knew that we were coming.
Yeah.
So I felt very sad that they didn't know and that they didn't inform them. I'm just angry, like, with the people who took us here, you know?
But the experience was cool. Seeing the horses gallop was cool. They're pretty cruel towards the animals, I suppose.
Yeah,
That's something
this is something that we don't support.
Yeah, so it was a bit hard to
So
film.
it's difficult, like, because we're happy that we could see something that unique and, you know, something that hasn't been seen before, or I didn't even know it exists. But then I'm not happy how they treat the animals, but you know, it's a cultural thing, so...
So yeah, so we're gonna leave it there. We're gonna walk back to the car now and hopefully go back to Addis.
Finally.
Finally, 3 hours late. So that's it. That's the end for this episode. Catch you later.